disorderly conduct. Ticket number SP 135080711, one count of driver's license suspended, driving while license suspended. Please state your appearance for the record, counsel.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Still morning. Kathy Murphy, P51422 for Ms. Ballard. Ma'am, would you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Tenisha Ballard.
And we both appear via Zoom, Your Honor. Ms. Ballard's here today. The docket says for a pretrial on the disorderly judge, but she already pled guilty to that. Apparently, she still owes some money on that. On the pretrial for the driving on a suspended license, the prosecutors offered to amend that charge to failure to display a valid license. Ms. Ballard indicated she would accept that offer. Is that correct, Ms. Ballard?
Correct.
I can't hear you, Your Honor. I don't know if you're speaking to us.
Ms. Ballard, you still don't, thank you, Ms. Murphy. You still don't have a driver's license, Ms. Ballard?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And the $348, why haven't you paid? Was that the total? What was the total that you were given? Was that the total?
In the beginning, it was 240.
So it was 240 and then you haven't paid, so now it's 348. Is there a reason that you're not even attempting to pay?
Well, I know I missed the last court date. I had switched addresses and moved, so I don't know if I missed the time.
No, ma'am.
But
you would have been given a fine, the fines and fees, either in person or on a Zoom hearing when you either pled to disorderly or was found guilty of disorderly conduct. At that time, the judge would have given you a fine or fee of $240. You haven't paid that $240 and since God knows when, and you just ignored it. So now it's $348 and it had nothing to do with notification because you were placed on notice at the hearing.
correct. I was thinking about the other court date. I'm sorry that I missed. But it's just money troubles that I'm having.
Okay, that's a better answer. That's a better answer. That's an answer that I can relate to. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and take your and go through the process for your guilty plea on the failure to display, assess the fine and the fee of that, and then I'm going to require that you come down to get placed on a payment plan. Okay, whatever the payment plan is that the court can give you based on your income. But you have to do that payment plan. You have. And I'm not being judgmental. I don't know if you get your nails done or your hair done or anything like that, or your lashes. I can kind of see a little bit, but you have to make some sacrifices and make those payments so that because the stuff doesn't go away.
Okay, I understand.
Right? So, had an opportunity to talk to Ms. Murphy about your rights. She advised you of your rights. Did you understand your right?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your guilty plea to that?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you actually are guilty?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you give today will be the truth and the entire truth?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down, turning your attention to May 30th, 2022. Were you driving a 2009 Toyota?
Yes.
Were you in the area of Mack Avenue and Parker Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Did you come in contact with the Detroit Police Department on that day, ma'am?
Yes.
And when asked to produce a valid driver's license, were you able to do so?
No.
Satisfied, counselor?
I am, Your Honor.
Okay, and there isn't one to dismiss, so so you're not stipulating to probable cause on dismissal. The court is also satisfied and will enter a guilty plea for the amended charge of failure to display on behalf of Ms. Ballard. Ms. Ballard, the failure to display, I usually assess a fee of $220, but because you still have this outstanding balance of $348, I'm gonna go as low as I can possibly go, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Because it's still gonna be a lot, especially if you're struggling financially, it's still gonna end up being a lot in total. So I'm gonna assess a fee of $190 for today, which is the lowest I can go statutorily. And with that $348, you now owe the court $538 in total. You have until May 25th to get put on a payment plan.
Okay,
So you have here in person at 36 District Court at 421 Madison Street. You know where we're located?
yes,
I don't want to hear any excuses, right? So you're gonna
right,
come down in person, you're gonna go to the window, to the clerk, to the cashier's window and get set up on a payment plan to pay this $538.
okay,
If you are not here by May 25th in person to set up that payment plan, then you do need to appear on the Zoom on that day to explain to me why you didn't do what I asked you to do
okay.
at 8:30. You're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
One moment. Okay.
Ms. Black, were you told to come out the breakout room?
Okay. Hello.
We need for you to go back into your breakout room for the attorney can come in and speak with you. Mr. Morgan,
Yes.
she needs to, we need another offer for Mr. Miles, client.
Okay, let's go to the breakout room real quick. One, how about I meet you in one, Miss Murphy?
I don't know if Madam Clerk was referring to me. I don't know who Miss.
Oh,
Oh,
Miles
Miles Bland. Okay, thank you. Sorry.
Okay.
I thought she said Mr. Miles. I got confused.
Thank you.
Okay.
Do I have to come as well?
Look, his
No,
name
sir.
is Miles, right? Look, I'm like, his name Miles, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Miss Murphy, I see.
Okay.